Hey guys, this is Dawn from Southpaw Bushcraft, and I'm about to do my outdoor cooking video for bushcraftrecipes.com. So let's get our grub on. Stay with me. So today I didn't have breakfast and I'm hungry for breakfast. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make an omelet, and I'm going to use my military cook set because I haven't used it in a while and I really like to use that every now and then. So let me get set up and I'll bring you back. So what I did, man, that's a horrible angle. What I did was I mixed up the eggs at home and just put them in a container. Normally I have like a actually liquid style container, and I put the eggs in that and then it shakes up and just pours out. But that's a bigger container and I didn't really need one that big, so I just used this. And what I'm going to do is just spray the inside of this a little bit so they don't stick. And then I brought some onion and mushroom. And you can't have breakfast with eggs without bacon. So I have these real bacon bits, and they're actually pretty good sized chunks in there. And so after I get all this chopped up, put in here, and I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to heat this up and I'm going to dump it all in and make myself a little omelet. Well, not really, I'm going to make it like scrambled eggs. And then I have these great whole wheat, 100% whole wheat fajita wraps, and I use these because they don't taste like they're whole wheat and they have a lot less calories, you guys. One of these, where is it? Only 1 gram of the saturated fat in it, and let's see, 80 calories opposed to the 170 or 180 that's in the other ones. So let's go ahead and get this chopped up. I'm going to go ahead and get it ready, and then I'll bring you back. To chop up my vegetables today, I'm going to use my Schrade Imperial knife because it's stainless steel, and I don't want to use my other knives that are high carbon steel for food prep. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up my veggies with this. I'll be right back. I'm going to chop these up a little finer just because it's kind of a small omelet. You gotta have onion, that's for sure. Oops. I'm gonna cut it on here. So we got onions and mushrooms. And what else do you need in your eggs with your onions and your mushrooms? Gotta have a little cheese. And then, what do I do with it? You gotta have your bacon. Okay, maybe a lot of bacon. Got my nice wood spoon. This is one of the wood spoons that Phil Mulkey carved for me and gave me for my birthday. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up, get it on the heat, and I'll bring you right back. Now with using this type of burner, something that's going to have to be stirred the whole time or it's going to burn. Or just about the whole time. Stoves are great for boiling water for your hot meals and stuff, but for cooking regular, you gotta be so careful. Even stirring this constantly, it's trying to burn on the bottom. It's cooking though. They're done. It's that fast. Look how fast those cooked in there. Alright, I'll bring you right back. I got my water going for my coffee and I put my lid on my eggs to keep them hot until my coffee's done. Bring you right back in a minute when my coffee's ready. Well, there you have it, guys. All I gotta do is roll it up, have my coffee. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Here's my wrap. Then I am gonna dig into that. And you guys go over and put your recipes on bushcraftrecipes.com. He's doing a good thing over there to help promote all our channels. And he's doing a giveaway right now. And I'll put the link at the bottom. And that's it for now. Take care, everybody. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.